banana, and pineapples, and honey. And I hate honey. And an apple. Step one, I'm gonna put blueberries in there. Next, I'm gonna do bananas. Banana. Hey, banana. Okay. Step two, I'm gonna put bananas in there. But at first, I gotta cut them up. Now put them in there. Last one for me. Step two, I'm gonna put apple in there. There we go. Now we're gonna add some pineapples to it. But we ain't gonna add the whole bowl because it ain't gonna fit. You should have never put all those apples and all those blueberries in there. Yep. And that's all we're gonna put. Ooh. Be lazy. Okay. Right now I'm gonna put honey in it. The honey is kind of stiff, so I'm gonna let it fall down like that. See how it falls? That. It's okay. People make accidents sometimes, right? Yes. Ooh. Now we are done putting the fruit in this movie, and this how it looks. Now let's blend it, guys. Put the top on. Now this is how it looks. When we turn it on, this is what it looks like. I'm pretty impressed. Now we are gonna pour the smoothie in there, and then we're gonna taste it. There. Hold on, I gotta turn it. Oops. I gotta turn it this way, guys. That's not equal. Okay, that's equal. Now let's taste it. I'm gonna grab this stuff. Hopefully. Y'all gotta make this. Pineapple, apples, and bananas, and blueberries. Ooh, that's good. And honey. Honey bunny. And it's purple, like my name, Lavender. Y'all got to taste this, and I mean it. This is the end. What? You ready? like and subscribe. And enjoy this video. Comment down below if you liked it. And y'all should try this because the smoothie was awesome. Yeah. Happy New Year's. Peace.